Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just want to do a helpful video around tax preparation and some of the information I would need, in terms of, putting everything together, making sure that we have all the information we need to prepare an accurate tax return. So the first thing obviously is a summary of kind of the income that, an individual has, or if they've got a spouse, getting that information and putting that in the return. Next, if there are any children or anything like that, making sure that we get their names, we get their social security numbers, we get their dates of birth. And that way we can make sure that we qualify for any child tax credits when it comes to the preparation process. And then if you've got any businesses, if you have any investment accounts, I definitely want to get a summary of what's kind of happened with that. With the investment account, we're really looking at what's called the 1099 year-end statement. That's going to show all the activity. So if there are any dividends, if there are any capital gains or losses, it's something that we're going to be able to kind of capture and put on the return. And then the same thing for when you have a business. We're going to want a summary of all of the income that you've got for the business, all of the expenses. And the expense, uncovering process is really the important part. The more that you can uncover, the more that we can get really tax beneficial return for you. And then any other miscellaneous items. So if you've got HSAs, if you've got college tuition, student loans, any number of other things, it's really important that we sit down and collect all of that information, make sure that we have everything. Hopefully that helps kind of get the process started. Obviously, during the process, one of the things that happens is we uncover some other things that you may or may not think, or you may not think really qualifies as a tax consequential piece of information. But part of what I do in my review and the overall return is making sure that we uncover that. Hopefully that helps. If you've got questions, by all means reach out. But until then, take care.